is the law of expansion. The mind, once stretched by a new idea, never returns to its original dimensions. I've got a slight variation for that one. That is Ralph Waldo Emerson. My slight variation is the person or the character, the identity, once stretched by a new idea, never returns to its original dimensions. We call this inside the Unicorn Closer Mastermind, once you're already on the inside, the stretch experience. So as an example, we've taken our members on 2 different private jet experiences. That's not including the private yacht experience and the multi-million-dollar mansions. Our next event is coming up. That's going to be in Bel Air. The mansion is $87 million, this Bel Air estate. We've spent multiple hundreds of thousands just for a 2-day event to host our mastermind inside that mansion. The reason we do that is when you step into these experiences, whether it's a mega mansion, a mega yacht, or a private jet, you've never lived that experience before. And so you step into it and you're like, wow, this is out of my ordinary. It's out of my comfort zone. And as the quote says by Ralph Waldo Emerson, once your identity or character has been stretched by a new lived experience, it's never going to return to its original dimensions. And so that's why inside the mastermind, we curate intentionally stretch experiences for our members, because we know if they're at a certain income level and they don't go outside of their normal lived reality at that income level, they'll just stay at that income level. And this is one of the big differences between a course and mentorship. A course is you'll get materials, you'll get training guidelines and frameworks and strategies. But mentorship is we already know how to unlock human excellence. My mentor's been doing this for 20 years. I've been doing it now for 5 years. I earned $100,000 a month in commissions. We've taken 4 of our clients to all earning $100,000 a month in commissions. And no, it didn't take us years or a decade. We've all done it, all 5 of us, in less than 17 months. I was the slowest. I was the first. I did it in 17 months. They've done it in 16 months, 15 months, and 14 months. 2 of them did it in 15 months. So that's the 5 of us. And so the point is, with a mentor, they are going to be steps ahead of you because they've already seen around the corners and they know, okay, if we don't put this in front of this guy or this gal, this closer or closette, whatever a female closer would be, they're not going to continue growing. And we don't wait until the closer hits that limit and then they come to us and say, hey, I'm stuck. We already know when they're going to hit the limits. That's why we've been able to take closers like Nicole from $500 in commissions to $116,000 in commissions within 15 months. Because we don't wait for the closers to tell us that they've got a problem. We lay out the blueprint in advance. We're playing chess while most people are playing checkers. We already know what the moves are to get the closer to win the game of sales, win the game of self-actualizing. And so this law, the law of expansion, you need to remember the transformation principle here, which is transformation begins, it starts when we encounter a larger possibility. Exposure to new ideas, new experiences, new challenges, new environments, new communities expands the boundaries of what we believe is possible for ourselves. So I'll give you a very simple one. You've been watching free content on my YouTube channel. Hopefully you're implementing it. You're getting results from it. But how long have you been watching the free content? For weeks? For months? For a year? For 2 years? Well, where have you exposed yourself to a new environment? If the environment is free, accessible content that you don't pay for, you don't have to commit anything to get the training, you don't have to be the next level version of yourself that's stretched your character to access it, where have you encountered a larger possibility? For so many members, and I'd like to say all of them, but I can't make a guarantee that it's every single one. But if I were to put my money on it, I would say it is every one of them who has joined the Unicorn Closer Mastermind. The moment they join, the problems that they were facing, whether it's struggling to close some deals, not getting their prospects to open up, struggling to know what to say on a sales call, prospects being asshole A-type prospects, all of a sudden immediately, because the closer has joined a mastermind, they stepped up, they rose up, they they started to tap into the next level of their human potential, and they stretched themselves, their character, their identity, who they saw themselves as. You know what? I've never made this type of investment before. I'm going to do it without a sales call, without someone handling my objections. And I'm just going to believe in myself. I'm going to go for it. I'm going to go all fucking in on my human potential. And what happens is immediately a lot of, if not all of the problems that they had just been facing the previous weeks, previous months as a closer, the dry spells, the ruts, the slumps, they just dry up. They just disappear. And they disappear for one simple reason. Reality is just a reflection. When you change your identity, your outside reality will change. And so how do you change your outside reality? How do you change your inside reality to change your outside reality? The law of expansion. The mind, the character, the identity, once stretched by a new idea, experience, environment, never returns to its original dimensions. So think of that for you. What is something that you've been waiting on the precipice? And I did a video the other day. Waiting for what? What are you waiting for? It's never going to get easier. Your fear is never going to get less. The opportunity is never going to be more perfect than right now. Not only because you're losing time, you've got one life, time's dripping through your fingers, but also more importantly because nothing is actually going to make the decision to expand yourself, the law of expansion, any easier tomorrow or next week or next month. You have to stretch yourself before you're ready. You have to get out of your comfort zone so that your identity will snap back up. In other words, your identity is here. You stretch into a new environment like riding on a private jet, and your identity, it's like magnetic. It just like snaps together to the new lived experience, because if you've read the book Psycho-Cybernetics, the thing that you'll know is the thing that's most consistent in life, in human beings, is we live in alignment with who we think we are. And so who you think you are right now is a culmination of your experiences, your community, the people you're around, the decisions you're making, the way you're showing up. If you want to change your life, you have to choose to expand yourself out of that comfort zone. Okay, so law number 2, the law of expansion and the transformation principle is you are responsible for exposing yourself to the places, and that's a metaphor, beyond the boundaries of what you've currently thought was possible for you. If you've never invested $3,000 a month in any training, if you've never done that without a sales call, if you've never been around unicorns, if you've never had a real mentor, if you've never learned a way of selling that combines self-actualizing and ditches the scripted questions, those are all beyond your current boundaries of your lived experience. I can guarantee you this: if you step beyond your boundaries, you will expand as a person. How many deals have you already lost this week that you could have closed but didn't because you were out of state? I'm not a fan of sales hacks, but if there was one thing you could do before your next sales call to raise your closing percentage, it's using my patented pre-call checklist. Imagine taking just 60 seconds to read 5 to 7 personalized bullet points on a piece of paper, and as unbelievable as it may sound, puts you into the optimal state to access your highest sales skills on every call. That's the pre-call checklist. I'm going to show you how to create your own. All you need is a piece of paper and to go through the training that I'm going to give you. Thousands of salespeople have used this framework to close more deals, and you can have your own for free. No strings attached, in a matter of minutes. Click the link below this video, enter your email, and grab it right now.